Good afternoon, wee, and welcome to this episode of Gardener Gone Wild, the Wild Ranger series. And as you see, we're back in Applewood Reserve. Yes, that's why there's a random piece of metal sticking out. And yeah, I finished my day of work, so that's why it's good afternoon. Got quite a lot of water on this path. It's a little stream. See all the water just dripping off this moss over here, isn't it nice? It's amazing to think all this water drips off because of that funny little hole or cave in the hill. And it hasn't been raining here for a while, you know, for a good week or so. Yeah, about a week probably, it hasn't rained. And obviously in Zealandia, all the little drains on the edges, which I was digging out today, they're basically all dry, like they're all just completely dry. Even the one that normally is, you know, flowing quite a bit. And where was I now? I seem to have a leaf sticking out of myself. But anyway, now I'm fine. I'm all in my civilian clothes. And I'm obviously by the Kai Whara stream. Whara. Oh, it looks like you can cross over here, I think. Let's have a look. Where are these stepping stones? It's one stepping stone. And it doesn't really seem to be any other stepping stones. Interesting. Unless these are the stepping stones. Stepping stone? Stepping stone. Stepping stone. Over we go. This probably actually goes nowhere, but it's half the fun. Like we have these little tags here telling us about stuff that only the people who actually put up the tags know anything about. And yeah, and I think this over here is this little wee dead end. There's no reason to cross over that little stream, but it's half the fun. Wonder if there's a better spot to cross over here. Maybe. Just head over this little marshy sludge. Marshy sludge. Oh, that was sludgy. That was very sludgy. Ooh, very sludgy. Okay, this rock's firm. This one here. This one should be okay. That's rock, so we're fine. And just dip the foot in the water. There we go. Okay, so we're back over the other side. And there we go. Under the branch. Well, dead tree. Oh, cool. So I have no clue where this path actually leads me. I've never really, you know, gone down here properly much. I know this little area. It's quite nice, that little dam over there. Little dam. These old little, you know, ancient, well, Victorian-ish era, concretey structures. And, oh, some kind of little, thing that's supposed to record any little critters walking past. They go under an ink thingy. Can't really see it. I think that's what it is. Something like that. Oh, there's a tui over there. And yep, there's still a tui. There's still a tui. And goodbye, tui. And the hole slash gold mine slash whatever you want it to be. Guess it's a whole load of fun. And then the path just goes up here. I wonder where it will take me. So anyway, it's been a good day. Yes. Basically spent me the whole day in the Hilux. And obviously out and about digging. I like digging, digging's fun. But I need to have some videos of digging on my channel. Also there's a kiddo over here. Just perching. I know, tut tut, stalking wildlife. So I'm an apex predator. Hello! Who's a big critter? Hey! Yeah, completely unfazed. Such a tank of a bird. Whee! Where's the bird? There we go. I was wondering where he disappeared to. On my lens. Magic of cameras. You might be staring something. Yeah, magic of cameras. You might be staring something in the face. But if your lens is not poking at it, then it defeats the purpose of actually having a camera. Over fun. Anyway, back up here. Got these nice little I've got all sorts of nice stuff here, but quite a lot of karaka, which is nice. Nice. And kawi. Some noise forest. Noise. Probably need to stop saying noise. It is nice. Such a weird way of saying nice. Noise. So anyway, if you have any, what do you guys, you viewers, think of digging? Do you think it's jolly good fun? Do you think it's a good deal of effort? Do you think all it is just moving dirt from one place to another? Or do you stay away from it because it can create a whole load of problems? What do you think of digging? That is a question. Ooh. The path just zigzags and zigzags. 'Cause it can. We've got a little tangle of supplejack. Oh no, yes, just a tiny bit. Funny how branches almost look like supplejack. Supplejack. Oh, a path meanders up this hill. I wonder where it goes. So yeah, so it's just a nice walk up Wellington. This reserve here is just by Zealandia. And of course we're in Karori. It's afternoon, weather's been good for a whole week last week and also this week. So that's been really good. Well, look at how this karaka tree fell down and re-sprouted. The marvels of nature. Some trees don't re-sprout, but some trees do, as you can see. It's always an appeal to trees that will re-sprout from fallen bases, like that one, and that one. And karaka trees are something special in their own right. I mean, a native of up north, they were so significant to the pre-European Maori because of being a somewhat unconventional food source, loaded with karakan. Yes, karakan. It even has its own poison, karaka. kraken. And no, it's not the poison which a kraken has. I mean, I don't think a kraken, the mythical sea beast, is poisonous. But you never know. I mean, I don't think anyone's actually seen a kraken. A kraken, not a kraken. Anyway, no one's seen a kraken sea beast, so I can't know whether it's poisonous or not. Oh, there's a sign. It tells me things. I don't think we want to go up to Wrights Hill right now. Go that way, which goes to Wrights Hill, or that way that doesn't, or that way that goes exactly back where we were. But feeling I want to go this way. Just for the sheer sake of it. Got this lovely stream covered with mosses and liverworts and all of those good things that like a moist place to live. A lot of the time moisture isn't truly appreciated. I mean, moist weather, aka raining, generally people are inside. They try to avoid that kind of weather. And I kind of understand. I mean, being moist isn't exactly the nicest feeling, especially when it's cold and moist. But even warm and moist isn't too pleasant. But, you know, moist ground is nice and fertile. Well, if it's too moist, then, obviously a lot of things won't grow there. But some things will really want to grow there. So it's a case of thinking, yeah, you know, sure. Moisture, like say swamps, really moist places, and just the bottom of the stream and all of that. You don't necessarily have to drain it. Although it is a good idea to maybe drain a path, because let's face it, you're walking over a moist path, your feet are sinking into the moist mud, your shoes become moist shoes, and well, you just end up being a soggy fool at the end of it. Like I sometimes end up like. A soggy fool. Nice. Resprouting growth of that karaka that was cut. Not sure how well it will actually grow back. I mean, we get lots and lots of suckers crammed together. Doesn't necessarily make the best stem structure, but still, probably will do the job. We have a manhole. A hole. And we have a path. And some rocks. I feel like this is the phonetically funny episode, isn't it? Makes me think of John Key and consumers. A bit of banter with consumers. Consumer. Sorry. It's just so tempting to do that on camera. Which I am currently doing that on camera. Interesting, isn't it? So anyway, we're about at the end of our journey. Ooh, wonder where this path goes to. Here's a walkway. Oh, this is that funny walkway above Zealandia. Well, not Zealandia, above, you know, the Karori area. I think that leads up to one of those streets up there. If we just go down the steps, down a whole heap of steps, down more steps, down even more steps. Doesn't this make you appreciate concrete? The amazing, internationally well-known, cheap construction material, concrete. Basically, humans fake rock. because they cannot figure out how to create a real thing. It's basically made out of limestone, so calcium carbonate, then sand, lots of silica in that, and rock. And rock is rock. Generally grey wacke is used, at least as far as I know in New Zealand, because of superior properties for building. Like it's a good quality sedimentary stone with a grey rock-like colour that clearly makes people think of it as rock. So see, that's a little walkway I came out of. And that's it for today. Surprised how it ends up being such a long episode. But anyway, here we are at Karori, and I guess it's time to thank you for watching, as I like to usually do, because I appreciate you for watching. And obviously, please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as you see, elections are still in full force in this country. So if you're in New Zealand, make sure you vote, even if you don't vote for anyone, because it's hard to tell who you actually want to vote for. So I believe that's all for now on Gardener Gone Wild, and that was the Wild Ranger. And this is the green symbol for me across the road. Isn't that just jolly great? That's all for now. Goodbye.